Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a Play-Doh hair dryer. You will need yarn, a toothpick, only one in my case, and Play-Doh. Now grab and roll the Play-Doh, roll it into two pieces, and one should be bigger and the other should be a little smaller. Then with the bigger one, roll a little oval shape that after might look like this. After, grab the other piece and roll it into a not so fat looking strip, and then cut off a little bit of the head like that. Then grab a little piece of the toothpick and break it into a little piece, and then stick it through like this and put this on through again. After, it might look like this. There. After, you will need to get the toothpick and right there and in the back make a lot of holes. After, it might look like this. This is in the front and this is in the back. Then grab a little bit of the string and cut a little piece off it. There. Then connect the string and the back right there. After, it might look like this. There, it's connected. Then grab another tiny piece of the Play-Doh and then roll it into a little ball shape. And when you roll it into a ball shape, stick it to the other side of the string. After, it might look like this. Then grab the leftovers of the toothpick and make two equally the same bits and then put them in exactly into the head of it. That will be where it plugs in. We're done. After, it'll just need to get hard, which will take about a day. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with others. Bye!